And the 3-2 to Bird. Base hit, right field.
Driven to deep right. That ball is high. It is far. It is gone.
High fly ball down the right field line. That ball is gone. Fly ball deep right, going back Smith on the track at the wall. Deep drive, center field, Kiermaier back, track, wall, see ya.
So the runner going is swinging a high drive to right field. Bruce gives this one a look, and this one is
13-2. Grounded and stopped by Bird. He flips to Eovaldi. That one is drilled to right field. Bautista back, it's over his head, over the wall. Popped up on the right side. Does Bird have room?
Get it?
He's still looking for his first big league hit. And there it is.
Well, maybe it's all a moot point. Greg Bird.
Deep to right. There it goes. See ya. High fly ball, right field. Going back Betts. Track. Wall. See ya. And the 1-2. Driven into right center field. That is going to be in there for a base hit. Bounces up again. Drill deep to right field. There it goes. See ya. Popped up. Let's see if it stays in play for Greg Bird. Oh, nice play. That one's drilled deep to right. There it goes. See ya. And rounded to first. Nice play by Bird. Flips to Severino. The two kids combined 2-1. That one is drilled to right field. Going back Bradley. Looking up. See ya. And the 0-2. That one is drilled deep to right center field. There it goes. See ya. High drive. Right center field. Zimmer back. Track. Looking up. See ya. A 3-run. And the pitch. Drilled deep to right field. There it goes. See ya. A home run. That one is drilled to right field. There it goes. See ya.